Are you all sitting down safely? Make sure you stay like that. I've loaded up the parcels. When we need to deliver a parcel, press the button that matches it. Oh, look! There's Ajay playing with his train set. But something's missing. What can he use to pull the carriages? Here's Farmer Ralph Thompson at Thompson Ground. He's counting his livestock. I'm waiting for a very important delivery. Looks like PC Selby has had to close the road.
Now then, what's going on here?
Never mind, we'll just have to take another route. These parcels must be delivered. Ted Glenn is fixing my special delivery service helicopter. Looks like he needs something to help him finish the job. I wonder what it is. It's art class today at the school, but Mira and Charlie seem to be missing something to paint with. Here's Mrs. Goggins sorting out the Greendale mail. She's just waiting for one last letter. Thank you! Another special delivery service completed. Mission accomplished.